When we first met, I'm like, why is he hanging out with all of these elves? He really only works one night a year, and the other 364, he's laying on the couch eating Christmas cookies and watching Pawn Stars. He gave me a nightie covered in Jingle Bells. Remember that SNL skit, Dick in a Box? He loved that skit. His idea of mood music is Santa Claus is coming to town. He hung mistletoe above our bed. If I even get a little bit emotional, he says, you better watch out, you better not cry. You can't argue with him, the guy thinks he's a saint. Every time I complain, he tells me I'm being a nutcracker. His favorite aphrodisiac is eggnog. I'm lactose intolerant. If he asks one more misfit toy to come live with us, the belly just keeps getting bigger and bigger and jigglier. I mean, soon he won't even be able to find it. At first, he was great in the sack. But now he's so busy working on his sack that I can't get him in the sack.
Santa Claus got stuck in my chimney, stuck in my chimney, stuck in my chimney.